Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. As a busy family, not only do we want something that's stylish, but we also want a coffee table that's super functional. Thanks to this gorgeous one from JOINICE, that's exactly what we got with this beautiful coffee table. I really love that this coffee table has so much storage space. On one side is a lift top where you can easily store lots of things like games, blankets, video game pieces. And on the other side is a lift top that extends into a workable workstation area for you. So I love that I can work right from my sofa, not feeling like I'm hunched over, but I can adjust it easily to my height. Underneath on that side is even more storage so that you can put everything that you need to in there. In addition, this is a beautiful, well-made and well-constructed coffee table. It's a 35 by 35 by almost 18 inches, so it's really generously sized. And it's nice and sturdy, made of solid wood, and it has this beautiful dark walnut feature that we opted for. The detailing on the sides is really quite pretty as well, and the coffee table is really sturdy. It also came with really well done instructions, making it easy to put together. If your family needs to have extra storage space, but also does not want to sacrifice on style, you really could not go wrong with this gorgeous coffee table. But that's just my point of view.